My parents always wanted to retire somewhere by the ocean, so they would spend their summer holidays going up and down the east coast, searching for the right location. They found a quiet little town called Mossy Point about 4 hours south of Sydney. They bought a place, settled down, and lived out their retirement there. This became the family gathering place for Christmases, holidays, and birthdays. After a long time away, I finally made a pilgrimage back to revisit the place by the ocean.